What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video. Yes guys, I know this is a different setup from what you are used to. In today's video I will show you exactly how I flipped a $50 account with the new broker I use. I will show you the setup I took in order to be able to flip $50 to $100 and then withdraw all the money from the broker. And after I will show you the setup, guys, I will also walk through the broker's website, the one that I will talk about, and I'm gonna show you why I decided to start using this broker. And of course, I will leave you the link down below if you'll be interested in registering with this new broker that I use. Okay. So before we start the video, guys, make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you enjoy the content, and make sure to turn the notification bell on if you don't want to miss out on any future uploads. Feel free to join my free signal group and sign up with the broker I use. The links are down below. And if you want to learn the strategies I use or book a one-on-one session with me, you can also DM me on Telegram privately by clicking the link down in my video description. Also, feel free to share and like the video, and if you have any questions, make sure to drop them down below. I will always make sure to reply to every single one of you. Okay, so now let's just start a video. In this small part of the video, I will show you how I deposited on my MT4 using Euro Trader. Basically, I deposited $50 on a live account. As you can see, if we go on the monthly, an internal transfer was made on the 2nd of June. Then on that day, I tried to do a sell trade on GBP/USD, but it failed. I lost $11, and then I waited for a new opportunity, and the new opportunity showed itself on last Friday, on the 17th of June, when I managed to catch a very nice sell on GBP/USD, and I managed to flip a $40 account basically to $100. And exactly after I flipped the account to $100, that's when I made the withdrawal through the internal transfer. And then from the internal transfer, I managed to withdraw all the money in my credit card, and it literally took 5 minutes, which was really interesting for me, because usually with the previous brokers I was using, it usually took between 2 or 3 business days till the money was released in my account. So that was very good. And I will also show you guys the withdrawal that was made in my credit card. And of course, after I submitted the withdrawal, I got an email saying that it will take between 2 or 5 business days, but exactly after 5 or 10 minutes, I received the money in my credit card, which was amazing. The deposit, I did it also with my card. I basically deposited $50 in Euro Trader, and then through the internal transfer, I deposited on this trading account. It was very easy to do, and the same with the withdrawal. First, I withdrew through the internal transfer, and then from the Euro Trader wallet, I withdrew straight to my credit card, which was a very simple process. Okay, so now guys, I will jump on my desktop and I will show you exactly how I managed to flip this $50 account to $100 with this GBP/USD sell trade. Alright guys, so now I am back on my desktop to show you exactly how I was able to catch the GBP/USD trade and successfully flip the $50 account. Okay, so basically this is where I enter the trades around this time, 12 o'clock my time. That's pretty much 10 a.m. GMT, as you saw in the MT4 video. So this is where I entered around this time. So basically my thought process was that I saw that GBP/USD was in a downtrend, very bearish over the past day, okay? And then I saw this small breakout, okay? I saw this small breakout and I was like, okay, I don't really think that GBP/USD will go up from here. I think this is only a false breakout to catch the people off guard. to catch the stop losses, to catch some buyers in, to trap them in, and then it will drop further down. And that's exactly what happened. Why I thought that it will drop further down? Well, because I saw this big inefficiency right here, inefficient price action right here, that needed to be filled. Okay, and as you can see, that's exactly what happened. So what I did is, after I entered the chart around here, around 11:45. Okay, this is where I entered the chart. So I pretty much waited for a M pattern or a bearish candlestick pattern for me to get in. So then what I did is I went on the M5, and that's where I looked for a entry setup. Okay, this was pretty aggressive, and I entered exactly after this big bearish engulf, and this is exactly where I entered the first time. I entered a bigger position here, and then on this small pullback, this is where I entered the other two smaller positions. Okay, and I rode it all the way down and closed around this area, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, my stop loss was up here, so the stop loss was very tight, and the take profit was probably a 1 to 5. In my opinion, that's what I aimed for. And that's how I managed to successfully flip the account. After the account reached $100, I closed everything, and then I just withdrew everything through my broker with the internal transfer. And after that, I withdrew through my credit card, and I received the money instantly, which was very good. Okay, so now that I showed you how I was able to catch the trade, I'm gonna actually walk through the broker website that I was talking about. It's called EuroTrader, and I'm gonna show you a few reasons why I decided to start trading with them, okay, and why I like them. Okay, so first of all, the website looks really clean. That's something that I liked about, especially when I first opened the website. That told me that they are professional, and that they are taking this seriously. You can basically trade whatever you want. You can trade Forex, stocks, crypto, indices, and commodities with EuroTrader, which is really cool. In my opinion, they have the best customer support I have ever experienced since I started trading. They are secure, and they are also regulated, if this is your question. They also have some cool resources. If you are a beginner, you can feel free to check them out. I find them really clever, and it's really nice that they do have these resources for people that want to learn for free and want to begin trading Forex. Now you might ask, well, what account types do they have? What spreads do they have? What commissions? And I'm going to show you exactly what account types they have. So basically, they have the micro account. This was the account that I used in order to flip the account. 0 commissions, a spread of between 1 and 1.2 pips, which is really good considering you have 0 commission. Minimum deposit is $50. That's what I used. Commission on Forex 0, stocks 0, max trade size 10 lots, max leverage 1 to 500. This is the micro type account. Then you have the 0 account, which offers you a 0 spread, okay, but you will have a commission on Forex, which isn't big, okay, in my opinion. This is a very decent commission. Commission on stock 0, Forex 2.75, and typical spread of 0.3 pips, which in my opinion is very good. Max trade size 50 lots, and max leverage 1 to 300. In my opinion, 1 to 300 is more than enough. I never really used more than 1 to 100 anyways. Of course, I register with 1 to 500 leverage, but as I said, very rarely I used above 100 of my leverage. And then we have the hero account, which has a minimum deposit of 25k, commission on stocks 0, commission on Forex $2 instead of $2.75. Typical spread same as here. Max trade size 1000 lots, and a 1 to 100 leverage, which again in my opinion is more than enough. The benefit using the hero account is of course that you get a smaller commission than on the 0 account. And yeah, overall these 3 account types are enough. You guys need to choose which one suits you the most. If you are a scalper, then of course you should consider going for the 0 account, as it will offer you a 0 spread and a commission. But if you are a day trader or a swing trader, then the spread doesn't really bother you. You could go for the micro account. Okay, so these are the account types. And now I will also show you withdrawal and deposit methods, because these are all the methods you can use to deposit and withdraw. And in my opinion, they are the best, because I really enjoy depositing with my card or through bank transfer. I do not like depositing with crypto and withdrawing through my crypto wallet. Okay, I really like to keep things simple. Just withdraw from my credit card and through my credit card and deposit the same way. Okay, so you can deposit via Visa, MasterCard, bank transfer, Skrill, Neteller, all these options, which are very good. The deposit will be instant, and then if I click withdraw, they will say between 1 or 5 business days. But as I told you guys, for me it literally took 5 minutes after I withdrew through my Visa card. It took 5 minutes for the money to reach my account. So minimum withdrawal is $50. On bank transfer, there's no minimum withdrawal, but the expected time of arrival is bigger. As you can see, Skrill, Neteller, pretty much the same. So yeah, in my opinion, EuroTrader is a good broker. That's why I started using it, and that's why I wanted to make this video on my channel, because I really get a lot of messages privately of people asking me what broker I use, what broker they should use, and I really invested some time in trying to search a good broker that has good deposit methods, that has good withdrawal methods, that is regulated, that has very good customer support, and that has good account types as well. And in my opinion, EuroTrader checks them all, and that's why I decided to give it a try and trade on it. And till now I didn't have any problems with them. So as I said, if you want to start using them as well, you will have the link down in my video description. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Nothing else to say. You can go through their website yourself and check the frequently asked questions if you want. You can also check their EuroTrader Academy with some video courses, which is really cool. And yeah, guys, this is pretty much it for the video. As I said, if you have any questions, make sure to drop them down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as always, and if you don't want to miss out on any new ones, make sure you are subscribed and have that notification bell turned on. As I said, make sure to check out the links in my video description if you want to check out the broker, if you want to join my free signal group, or if you want to learn my strategies from me. And also feel free to share and like the video if you enjoyed it. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.